Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben. We are live. We are live. Welcome to my channel. If you are if you are on my channel for the first time, welcome. My name is Big Ben, and pretty much I've been doing this. Well, trading. I'm talking about. I've been doing this for 10 years plus, and I do this full time, Monday through Friday. I trade the futures market, and I also invest in crypto. I pretty much swing trade cryptocurrencies. And recently, pretty much ever since January, we've been going down, and me and my students pretty much been making money on the downside. So shout out to everybody that's making money on the downside. Now, during this whole live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. And if you are looking at this in the replay, okay, if you're looking at this on replay, so you can actually speed up time by going either to 1.5 or 2. You can speed up time by that, and pretty much I know a lot of people been losing a lot of money, and that's a part of just investing. Losing money is the part of investing, but you can actually minimize your risk if you know what you are doing. And a lot of people just have one strategy. And that strategy is just buy and hold. And, that's okay. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with buying and hold, but just, in my shoes, if you was in my shoes, you couldn't just buy and hold because you have to make money consistently. So as a professional, I have to make money consistently. So I have to have multiple strategies. So if that's something that you want to learn about, then definitely hit the subscribe button. Because I definitely talk about that in my on my stream. A lot of people think that I turned bearish, but I didn't. The market turned bearish. Okay, and I have multiple strategies. So I have to pay bills. I have to go on vacations. I have to live the life that I want. So I have to have multiple strategies. I just don't buy and hold and wait and hope that this market will continue to go up. Okay, so that's what I do. So hit the subscribe button if that's something that you like. So let's get this party started. Let's see who's in the chat room. What's going on? NN. All right. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to hit the likes, and shout out to everybody that's joining me right now during the afternoon. Right now, I'm on the east side, so my time is 12:16 p.m. Eastern time. Okay. So shout out to everybody that's on the live stream. So let's get this party started. Let me see who else is actually on this live stream. What's going on, DCY? What's going on, Tony? What's going on, Fetch? Yes, Fetch. I hope you're having a good day too. I'm hoping you have a good day. I'm glad to see you on Fetch. I haven't seen you on live stream. What's going on, Fetch? You have a different time zone or something? I think I haven't seen you on a live stream for a long time, or a minute, whatever. Cedric, what's going on? What's going on, Rufus? What's going on, Leslie? MK, Exposed, good afternoon. Afternoon. What's going on, One Up? I use JAFX. You can use JAFX, you can use BitMEX, you can use, I think, Kraken, I believe. Who else? You could use say from Sweden. Okay, so I'm watching your videos usually afterwards. Okay, so shout out to Fetch. He's from Sweden. Okay, so that's what's up. So let's get this party started. Okay. Yeah. All day. So right now, guys, like I said before, my last live stream, the story is still the same, guys. The stories are still the same. Even though I go on YouTube and I see a lot of people are happy right now, which is okay. I'm not going to tell people not to be happy. But at the same time, the way I'm looking at this is the story is still the same. We are still in the bear market, okay? And this is what the bears want. They want people to get happy. They want people to think that everything's okay. The market's going to reverse. We're going to 20K. This is what they want you to think, And I try to come on these streams. It's very hard to come on these streams to tell people how the market works, because they just want to believe whatever they want to believe. But you know, hey, I try. I know some people get it now, but right now we are still in the bear market. You know, the same story. Okay, so let's go to CoinMarketCap, and right now we had two. Let me actually refresh this. So we had 270. Let me see. We had 269 billion. Okay. Now 300 billion to me is the magic number, because I remember we tried to go to 300 billion. We couldn't get there. Okay. And also the volume is still low. So, like I said before, guys, try not to let these guys trick you. They are very good at that. They're very good to very good at making you think one thing, and they pretty much doing the opposite. If you know anything about the bear market, anything that's too obvious is usually wrong. Anything that's too obvious is usually wrong. So right now we have this triple bottom. It looks like we're going to break out to the top. Even if we break up to the top, doesn't mean anything. But it looks like we're going to try to break up to the top and then reverse go to 19K. That's what it looks like. And that's what they want you to make it look like, okay? Now, this thing could roll over at any moment. We do have July 4th coming up. So this could be a holiday rally, you know? So we'll see. We'll see. So shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. So David said, what chart is best for me to use on your phone? I don't know, because I don't use my phone. I don't use my phone at all. So Cedric, you made $350 Sunday. Did you buy or did you short, Cedric? Hey, what's going on, DJ Pool? We chilling out right now. It's the afternoon for me. It's afternoon right now, so we're just gonna chill out, relax. Okay. And Cedric, you got my course, right? You got the course, right? So shout out to Cedric. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Let me hit that cha-ching button for Cedric. He made $350. You got my course, right, Cedric? I believe so. Okay, so shout out to Cedric. Cedric got my course. He's up $350. That's what I like, guys. You know, that this is why I come on here, to show you, to give you 10 years of experience, so you can actually speed up your time. I know a lot of people right now are struggling. Ever since January, been, you know, account been down 80%, 70%, 50%, 40%. They struggling, okay? And I'm trying to give you guys another opportunity to make money. Now, like I said before, if you really want to continue to buy and hold, you know, that's cool. I'm cool with that. But what I'm saying is, while you wait, right? While you're waiting for your coins to go up to 19K or whatever the case is, while you wait, how come you just, you know, why not have another strategy on the side where you can actually make money, you know, so you can build up your monthly income? That's all I'm saying. You know, but people just can't really get that. I'm not saying throw away your buy and hold strategy. If you want to have that, fine. But what I'm saying is, why not have another strategy in place where you can actually continue to make money? That's all I'm saying. So let's go back to the chat room. Hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. Smash the likes. Whatever they say these days. NN, you heard about the Coinbase launch custody? Yes. They're currently accepting 10 million or more deposits. Yes, I heard about that. I heard about that. Yes. And a lot of people think that that's going to help and help reverse the market. But you have to realize, guys, the smart money is not really going to buy right now. Okay, so the smart money is not really going to buy right now. To me, these prices is too high for the smart money. So they probably are targeting a different class. You have to understand, some, you know, everybody that has money doesn't mean that, you know, they really know what they're doing. So they probably targeting a different class. But that's not really going to help the market. If you, like I said, you guys, until I start to see a lot of volume coming in, then I know the big dogs is playing, right? Then I know the big dogs are in the market. This 4 billion, 4 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion. That's not enough. Even 5 billion, that's not enough. I want to see my 11 billion, 12 billion, 16 billion, 18 billion, 20 billion. That's what I want to see. I haven't seen that yet. So, yeah, I heard about that, but you know, at the same time, good news. I've been doing this for a long time, and I noticed that good news never reverse the market. It never, you know, reverse. The market continue to go down. You know, bear markets, it's just like a bull market. In a bull market, you might have some negative news. You may have a slight pullback, and the next day the market's right back up. Same thing in the bear market. You might have good news. You might have a green day, and the next day the market's back down. So I usually don't get too happy for that. So let's go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on here. And shout out to everybody that's on the live stream. Shout out to everybody that's on the live stream, because you know, it's an afternoon live stream, so I'm glad that everybody get to chill. So let's go to the chat room real quick. So David said, "What's up, man? Tony here, checking in. What you got for us? Bitcoin going to the moon?" Tony, I mean, David, if it was up to me, David, I would basically make Bitcoin go to the moon. If it was up to me, I don't want you guys to lose money, because I know a lot of you guys bought at the top, and I know a lot of you guys are holding, you know, a decent amount of coins. So if it was up to me, David, trust me, I want this thing to go up to 19K, so yeah, you guys get your money back, you know. But just from my experience, David, I understand that bear markets just don't reverse like that. It takes a while. I know this is probably something that you don't want to hear, which is okay. I understand that. I won't be able to reach or like my channel would probably be much bigger right now if I just decide to go have moon videos and say, yo, we going to the moon, this is going to reverse. But I can't do that because I'm a professional, David. I'm a professional. I do this for a living. I'll do this full time. I make money by doing this, David. I'm not a regular YouTuber, so I can't really give you fake stories like that saying things are going to the moon. I have to give you the truth. And the truth is we are in the bear market for 7 months now, okay? It's just that's more than half a year. And if you know anything about bear markets, they just don't last for 5, 6, 7 months. They last for years. We're going to have pullbacks in between. People think that these pullbacks are the bottoms. The same way they thought this was a bottom, the same way they thought this was a bottom, the same way they thought this was a bottom, the same way they thought this is a bottom. So we're going to have pullbacks, guys. This is just how the market works. Even in the bull market, you have pullbacks, right? That's how the market works. You can't get excited just because you see I don't know what this is. You can't get excited because you see, you know, a green candle. We need confirmation, guys. This is why a lot of traders can't become professional investors or traders, because they don't do things based on confirmation. We need confirmation, guys. right? People, that's why a lot of people get tricked, because they see green or they see red and they think things gonna go into reverse, but there's no confirmation on top of that, right? Right now, especially you're talking about a market that been basically going down for 7 months straight. Okay, we're gonna definitely need some confirmation, and the volume is not there. So volume is the guy that we need, and we don't have that yet, because it tells you that the big dogs are in the market. This tells me, right, the big dogs is not in the market. The big dogs is the one that is pretty much the guys that's going to reverse the market and make the market continue to go up. It's not us. It's not the little guys. We can't move the market. So let's go back to the chat room. Shout out to everybody that's on this live stream. I appreciate you chilling with me. Right now is, like I said before, it's 12:29 p.m. So right now on the East Coast is the afternoon for me. So I'm just chilling out, having fun with you guys. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. Thanks for coming, and shout out to the people that's on the other side of the globe, because I know some of you guys can't catch me when I go live nighttime. So shout out to you guys that's across the globe chilling with me today. And you can tell that a lot of people are bullish right now. A lot of people are bullish right now. But all I say is, guys, be careful. That's all I'm saying. Just be careful. You don't have to believe anything I say. All I'm saying is be careful. That's all. Okay. So let's and hit the likes if you are in the building. So David said, your phone is all you have. I use Binance Charts, but it sucks. Yeah, David, honestly, I like a laptop. A lot of people ask me about that. I like using a laptop because to me, a phone is hard to deal with. That's my opinion. But what's going on, Easy Build? What's going on, Jay Garcia? Liking the course. All right. So Jay Garcia said, I'm liking the course. Thank you for the valuable info. All right. You said I'm going to have more tutorials about the JFX. Not really, because everything, BitMEX I don't use. So I don't have tutorials with that. But JFX, pretty much everything you need is on it. Maybe one of these days I will. Maybe one of these days, Garcia, I probably will. If you have a question, you can email me, you can definitely do that if you have a question. Business, what's going on, businessman? Shout out to businessman. He's in the building. So Easy Bill says, sorry, I'm going to buy your course in the next couple of days. Shout out to Easy Bill. He's going to support the channel. He's going to buy the course in the next few days. All right, thanks for your support. I appreciate it. Hey, what's going on, Ace? What's going on, Bambino? All right. So Bambino has a course. He says, love the course. It's very easy to comprehend the info that you give. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Bambino supporting the channel. He got the course. So let me hit that cha-ching button for him. All right. And I made it simple like that because I'm a guy that I graduated from high school and I didn't go to college. Okay. So I like things simple. I like things simple so I can understand it. So I know a lot of people like that too. So that's why I try to make it real simple. But like I said before, you don't need a college degree to make this money. All you need is dedication. You need to study, and then you need to put everything and take action. All right. That's all you need. I'm just here on YouTube so you can speed up your time. That's the best thing to do when you try to learn, when you learn from somebody that's doing it, you can actually speed up time. A lot of people are losing money right now. So I'm trying to give you guys another opportunity to make money while you wait for your coins to go to the moon. So that's what I'm here for. So shout out to everybody that's in here. Shout out to everybody that support the channel. Nick said, Ben, I bought your course material. Looks good. All right. That's what's up, man. Appreciate it. You said, I don't see BTC going. Yes, BTC right now is not, let me see. Let me go to the 4 hour. It's above. Right now is above. So I'm not looking for nothing right now. Okay. It's above the moving average. So I'm not looking at nothing right now. I'm not looking for no shorts right now. It's not because the market is going to reverse and go to the moon. No, it's just because we are going up and upwards the short-term pullback. Put it like that. We have a short-term pullback. But don't get it twisted, guys. I told you guys before. Don't get it twisted. These short-term pullbacks, that's what it is. A short-term pullback. Okay, we are pointing down. It's just what it is. Pointing down. And we are still in the bear market. So let me see. David said, I'm in prison, buddy. So your vice is okay. Shout out to David. David said he's in prison and he's watching me on live. So shout out to David. I never had nobody in the prison before watching my video. Let me see. Let me go to the comments. Josh, what's going on, Josh? Josh said the 9-to-5 life is killing me. I'm finishing your course this week. Can't wait. All right. So let me hit this cha-ching button for Josh. Josh hates his 9-to-5, and he got my course. Now he wants to take action. So shout out to him. Like I tell anybody can make money if you study. And if you dedicate it, and you want to make this money, you could make this money. I told you I'm no one special, guys. I didn't go to college. I only went to a technical schools, which is for automotive. I went there for 1 year. I got certified and I started to work on cars. My first job was actually at Pep Boys. Then I got hired, and then I was working at Honda. Okay. So, like I said, I'm no one special. I'm not a genius or anything like that. I just had dedication. I studied, and then I took action. So let's go back to the live stream. Shout out to everybody that's in the building. So man, Leslie said, I thought I was gonna buy the beach. I hear you, man. But I guess I have to wait. I mean, Leslie, the market is pulling back right now, So you have to understand, we had at least 5 wins. So last month, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins in a row. So you have to understand that every trade is not going to be a winner. And you have to understand that the market pulls back. So right now, the market is pulling back right now. So we just got to be patient for the market to roll over, because we have resistance right here, resistance right here. And to me, the way it looks like, I don't think the market is going to go too far. I think we probably might either go right here, go down, right, and maybe form another double top and continue to go back down. Just got to be patient. But there's money, a lot of money to be made. That's all I got to say. A lot of money to be made on the downside, because I see this market going down a lot. Because there's a lot of scams going on. I keep on telling you guys, there's a lot of scams. We not in the clear, guys. That's why a lot of people. I'm looking at the YouTube, and everybody's happy right now. People calling bullish here. Everybody's saying these bull. Everybody's a bull now. Right? And there's really no confirmation at all. A lot of these coins, I told you guys, a lot of these coins have to go in order for us to go up again. The government basically knows what's going on. They know what's going on, okay? So they said, okay, enough is enough. We can't have these guys continue to make millions of dollars out of thin air. So you guys have to be patient, because there's a lot of money on the downside. There's a lot of money on the downside. So for you guys that's buying and hold, like I said before, you can have multiple strategies. Even if you want to hold your coins, you can still have another strategy on the side. So shout out to everybody that's in the chat room. Let me go over the questions. And shout out to everybody that got the course. Thanks for supporting this channel. Let me hit the ching button for all your guys, okay? Just for supporting the channel. So Michael said, I've been watching and listening to the testimonials in about a week or so. So I will be buying your course. So shout out to Michael. Are you buying the course today, Michael? Because if you buy it today, I can give you the discount, you know. I don't know if you're going to buy it today. Let me know. Let me know. Okay, Michael. What's going on, Sing? How you doing, Sing? So Sing said he don't think that is going to be another huge sell-in quarter 2 and 3. A lot of good news about crypto. Sing, let me know what good news did you hear, Sing? Please let me know. Type in the box the good news that you heard, so I can review the good news. Okay. I want to go to the challenge. However, I'm doing this. I suck at it now. So Jimmy said I went to college. Okay. He said I'm down doing this. I suck at it now. So Jimmy, it doesn't matter if you suck at it now. We all suck at everything when we first learn, right? Think about the first time you drove a car. Think about the first time you try to get on a bike. You know, we wasn't great. It takes time. So you have to understand that if you are willing to study the charts, willing to put in that work, you can make this money. The main thing is basically you have to figure out the major trend. That's what a lot of people don't understand. They don't understand the major trend. So January is the first month of the year, okay? Ever since January, we've been going down. So the way I break down the charts is every year, right? Yearly. So last year, we were just going up, okay? This year, we're going down. If you notice that everybody that was killing it last year, buying the dips, closing their eyes and buying the dips, right? They was making money no matter what. Now, this year, they can't close their eyes and buy the dips because they basically are broke right now. They've been trying to buy the dips ever since January. So that's why you just have to understand the major trends. I tell people all that, all the time. You have to understand the trends, the cycles. So like I said, I separate everything by year. This year, we've been going down. So since we've been going down more than half of the year, is a large chance. I mean, a large percentage. I mean, probably I would say 90% or more. We are continue to go down. Now, Singh said there's a lot of good news. So please let me know. Please let me know the good news, Singh. So Singh said his Wi-Fi is messed up, so he need to go. So I guess he's out because I guess he's out because he don't have the good news. And shout out to all my moderators. Shout out to all my moderators. I think I saw something. So thanks a lot for you guys to come here and regulate this chat room. Leslie, you want to be a moderator? I'll make you a moderator if you want to, because I know you are one of my loyal subscribers. because we can't have no trolls coming in, because my channel is all about money. Okay, all about making money. I don't care if you wanna look at a guy and look at him read the news word by word, then this the channel is not for you. So let's go to the chat room. So Nick says, what's your target ROI PM from trading? What do you mean by that? What's your target return on investment from trading? I don't know. Can you be more specific? Let me see. So David said, it's 3 of us watching on the video. Look out. All right. That's what's up, man. So shout out to David. Shout out to David. He said 3 people's watching. So shout out to him. All right. So Leslie said, I'm making money. I'm happy. That's what's up, man. Leslie making his bread. Let me hit that cha-ching button. Leslie, you made money on the downside already? You making money from the market, Leslie? Oh, what's up, MoX? How you doing? So David said, how much is the course? The course is, the original price is $210, but during the live stream I drop it down to 50%. So if you give me a second, David, I will drop it down to 50% for you. And someone said, can you watch it on an iPhone? I don't have an iPhone, so I don't know. I don't know if you can watch it on an iPhone, but you know, the videos are MP3. I mean MP4. Let me see. Let me go back to the chat room. Okay, no problem, Michael. I hear you. What's going on, Daniel Clark? So how can I get a discount on your course, One Up Motor? Can I pay in crypto? So One Up Motor, yeah, just give me 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna put out the discount, and if you want to pay with crypto, you can actually email me. Let me shoot you my email address. Okay, put my email address right now. Shoot me an email address, and I'll give you instructions. If you want to play it with crypto, then you can do that too. So so Ashley said, hey, what's going on, Ashley? Ashley says she want to be a moderator. Okay. I'll let you in, Ashley, because I don't need these trolls. Moderator, I don't need these trolls to be in my my chat room. O1 said, what's going on? I'm not interested in memes and junk. I want the real information. Exactly, man. Shout out to O1. All right, so you swing trade the crypto market, right, Leslie? Oh, so you swing trade. What you swing trading right now, Leslie? So shout out to Leslie. He's making his money. So Julio said, I want to purchase your course. Okay. Julio, give me a second. I will give you the discount. Julio. What's going on, William? What's going on, Vita? Hey, what's going on? Shout out to Venta, guys. Venta This said he made some profit yesterday. So let me hit that button for him. And guys, I'm saving these testimonials. You'll see in a minute. Okay, so let me hit this button for him. Let me hit the button for Venter. Okay, he made money yesterday. Okay, so shout out to him. That's why I said, guys, I don't need no trolls in my room, because we are here to make money. Okay, I told you my chat room, my channel is deeper than crypto. I want to get you guys to stop relying on your 9 to 5, because it's a waste of time. You could be doing, you know, better things with your time, spending time with your family, spending time with your friends, going on vacation, living the life. So I told you guys, my channel is deeper than crypto. I want you guys to get out that rat race. So let me go to the chat room. Yeah, Jimmy. Yeah, I hear you, Jimmy. I was thinking about that. For only the people that bought the course. I hear you. You're right. I was thinking about that, Jimmy. So David, you have to switch it to BTC, Litecoin, or Ethereum, David. Or you could just pay, go to PayPal. What's going on, Luke? All right, so Lucas said he's going through my course, and he likes what. Okay, that's what's up, man. Walking through your course. I have a 5-year-old son, so I'm busy. Okay, I hear you. I hear you, man. I know how it is, man. I have a daughter right now, so I know things could get busy. So shout out to David. Not David, Luke. So so right now the market is just not doing anything. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour. So let me zoom out. So basically the market shot up, right? Selling off a little bit, but it's not, you know, there's nothing crazy. And it's not really doing anything right now. So we have this, you have to understand, I think tomorrow is July 4th. So this might be a holiday pump. So we gotta wait. Now, will this market go down as fast as it went down like last month? I don't know. They might hold this market up a little bit. So we have to wait. But right now things are above the moving average, so I'm not looking for any shorts right now. I'm just chilling out, waiting for the market to roll over. But we have to wait and see how long they want to hold this market up, so we can start looking for shorts. Because we are in the bear market, guys. Don't get it twisted. I told you that before. I don't get happy when I see green bars. You know, that was a long time ago. When I first started, I used to get tricked all the time. Oh, this is the top. Oh, this is the bottom. I'm buying. You know, I blew a lot of accounts like that. The market is designed to take your money, and it's designed to make you think one way, and it's doing the opposite. Right? A lot of people right now are so-called genius. It seems like everybody knows what the market is doing. It seems like everybody knows that this is the bottom. Like how can you literally say this is the bottom? Okay? How can you literally say that with confidence? This is the bottom. I see a lot of videos. Oh, we're going to 10K. We're going to 19K. And we didn't even hit 9,000 yet. And guys is calling this the bottom. So you have to be careful, because the market is here to trick you. And they're usually pretty much doing the opposite of whatever you're thinking. So right now, everybody's a genius. They talking about this is the bottom, you know. But I don't know. So let's get this over with. Let me give this course because a lot of people have been asking me about this course. Ben, so IDA said, Ben, I want to purchase your course. So let me get this out of the way, guys, because a lot of people have been asking me about this course. So you know that I don't have any sponsors. I go through this all the time. I told you guys, my channel is not that big. I don't have probably a lot of moon videos. That's why I don't have 100K subscribers. But at the same time, I'd rather grow my channel little by little, because I know that I have quality information. I've been doing this for 10 years plus, investing, and I can give you all that knowledge so you can speed up time and basically stop struggling, because most people are losing money ever since January. So if you're tired of struggling, tired of seeing things and trying to do things your way, and you can actually piggyback from a guy that's basically doing this full time. So let me give you guys that discount, because you guys have been asking about this course. So let me give you this discount. Okay. So shout out to everybody that's in the chat room. Thank you for supporting this channel. I'd rather do it this way than push some ICOs on you, because ICOs are garbage. I told you that, guys. So I just put the link into the description. It's 50% off right now. The original price is $210. Is 50%. So I told you guys, all these ICOs garbage. All right, 1,000 ICOs, cryptos projects are dead now. So you have to watch out for these ICOs, for these guys that's pumping these ICOs. All they want to do is basically promote ICOs so they can get paid. They don't really care about you. They just want to put money in their pocket. So I'd rather get, trust me, guys, I have the choice to promote ICOs. I actually got one earlier today. A guy talking about a project, ICO project. He want me to promote. I get these emails all the time. So I can, trust me, I can make way more money doing ICOs than selling this course for $110. I should be selling this thing for $600 easily. But I'm trying to give you guys a chance. I'm trying to help you guys understand how the market works so you can make money. Okay. And to me, I think it's a win-win situation for all of us, because you supporting the channel at one hand, and the next, you know, and also you can actually put money in your pocket. So shout out to everybody that's supporting this channel. If you don't know what this course is about, it's pretty much showing you how to read the market, what patterns that I use, how to read that, you know, what the trend is at, right? Because right now we're in a downtrend, which is a bear market, okay, ever since January. So that would teach you about all the trends or the cycles. It would teach you the patterns to use. It would teach you how to make money in the bull market and the bear market. A lot of people think just because I'm talking about the bear market that I'm not a bull. No, I'm a bull and a bear. Whenever the markets go down, I'm a bear. When the market goes up, I'm a bull. Okay, this is how a professional works. This is how a professional operates. So you have to understand, if you want to become a professional, then this is something for you. If you just want to hodl and hope that the market will continue to go up, then this is not for you. You know, I tell people all the time, do not buy this product if you want to just hodl. Okay, if you want to expand your thinking and have multiple strategies in place like a real professional, then this is for you, because you can actually make money right now while you're holding your other coins. Okay, while you're still waiting and holding your other coins, you can actually still make money. So this is not just for the bear market, it's for the bulls too. And shout out to everybody that's supporting this channel. If you have a 9-to-5, this still will work out for you. It's not about day trading, it's about swing trading. And if you live in the United States, it's you can still short. Okay, and you don't need you need probably what they said the minimum is $50 to fund the account. So you know that's all. And let me read these testimonials hooks, because guys, I've been saving these testimonials. I went through a lot of videos. Let me copy and paste this one more time. I went through a lot of videos today, guys, because during this live stream, during a live stream, I get a lot of testimonials, and I don't like save them. So I had to go all the way back and look at a lot of videos and go back to my live stream and copy and paste all the my testimonials. But I didn't go through all my videos, but let me show you the testimonials that I got so far. So these are testimonials, okay, guys? It's a list. Like I said, I have to go back to get some more, but so far this is what I got. Cupcake, shout out to Cupcake. She's one of my loyal female subscribers. Made my first trade a couple of days ago and made a little over $400. So shout out to Cupcake. Let me hit that cha-ching button for her. Okay. And she said, thanks, Ben. Kevin basically got the course 3 days ago, made $130. Shout out to Kevin. Annette made my first $40 last night. Shout out to Annette. Gauntlet, Ben, your course is no joke. I hope to see the 1, 2, 3 drop to make below the made $400 on the drop. Shout out to Gauntlet. Gauntlet made $400. Eric, Ben, I made some good trades. I shorted today, made $50. So shout out to Eric. Moex, what's going on? Shorted, up over 10% on my first trade. Keith, shout out to Keith. I'm up about $450. I'm more than double from where I first started. So shout out to Keith. I go on and on, guys. I'm not gonna go on and on. You see the numbers, 240, 400. I just want to show you 270. I just want to show you another one. Shout out to Fetch. Actually, Fetch is on his live stream. He made $800. I just want to show you this because he's my this is my top student right here, Rod. Basically, he opened an account a week ago with 15 grand, and he made his account right now. He said the balance is 444. But let me show you the profit that he made the other day. Okay, let me show you the profit that he made the other day. Because he emailed me, guys, and he said that he made $21,252.32. At first, like I said, I was skeptical. I didn't know if he was telling the truth or not. But he sent me over the balance. So shout out to Rod. And not only he made 21,000, he actually bought a couple of courses for people on the live stream. So shout out to him. So that's my testimonials. I'm not gonna go through all of them. But this is what I'm talking about, guys. Education can literally, change your life and help you. And for you guys that's buying and holding, you don't have to just buy and hold, guys. You can have another strategy working at the same time you're buying and holding. That's what I'm saying. So people think I'm probably against buying and holding. I'm not saying that, guys. I'm just saying that if you make your buy and hold your main strategy, it's going to be hard for you every year to make money. Right? Because every year is not going to be that up year. Some years we just have down years, and this could last for a long time, guys. I told you, we went through this so many times. The last crash we had in Bitcoin lasted for 2 years just to create the bottom, and then in another 3 years just to go back to the break even. So in total, that whole nonsense was 5 years to go back to break even. Okay, so this is what we could actually see again. And what I'm trying to tell you guys is, why wait that long while you can actually make money now? So shout out to everybody that's actually making money. Let me hit that cha-ching button. It took a lot of time for me to actually go to my videos and watch my videos again and copy and paste these testimonials, man. I should have been doing that a long time ago, but it is what it is. Shout out to everybody that's actually making this money. Let me go to the chat room now. I'm looking through the comments, so give me a second. So Silk Black said, going through your course I bought last week, very good so far. So shout out to Silk Black. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Okay. And this course is, it's just not about showing you how to make money. I talk about how to control your emotions, how to manage your money, because a lot of people are going to make money and they're going to blow it. So I talk about a lot of stuff in that course. So shout out to everybody that's supporting the channel, All right, let's go back to the chat room. I'm reading the comments, guys, so give me a second. So One Up said, just bought the course, ended up using my wife PayPal, looking up for it. All right, so shout out to One Up Motor, okay? He just bought the course. And basically he's going to study. And I told you guys, you know, if you're dedicated and study, you can make this money. I just showed you tons of testimonials. Okay, I still got more to copy and paste, but that's the ones I have so far. Okay, so shout out to One Up Motor. He bought the course, and now he wants to change the way he thinks. Okay, because that's all it's about, guys. I told you guys before. You don't have to believe me. You don't even have to listen to me. Okay, study the rich. Study the rich. They will tell you how to make money. They will tell you how to make money. These guys are rich for a reason, right? These rich guys, they make money on the downside and the upside. It's just what it is. It's how things work. This is how they stay rich. Okay, I don't want to follow the herd, right? I don't want to follow the herd. The herd is always wrong, right? If I was following the herd, right? The herd is all about hodling, right? Hodl, right? If I've been following the herd ever since January, I will be losing money for 7 months straight. Okay, I want to follow the rich because the rich is pretty much rich for a reason. Okay, I want to see how they make money, and that's it. So like I said before, guys, you don't even have to listen to me, right? You can say, oh, Ben is just talking. Okay, fine, I don't care. Just study the rich, study how they make money, and you will see that they will make money whether the market is going up or down. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's on this chat room. I'm glad to see everybody here. Let's go back to the chat room. Corey said, do I short with leverage? Yes, I short with leverage. Glenn, congrats, One Up. Okay, Luke. Luke said, I want to get out my retail. Cannot stand it. I hear you, man. Want to become a full-time investor. Your course will help me with these goals. Yep. So shout out to Luke. Shout out to Luke. Let me hit that cha-ching button for Luke. Because, you know, like I said, guys, working for a 9 to 5 is just a waste of time. You know, like I said, my channel is deeper than crypto, man. I just really want you guys to succeed. All right, so you can actually enjoy your life. Don't get it twisted. Like I put in a lot of work. I studied my butt off. I studied the charts. So a lot of people just want to just do things and become millionaires overnight, without studying, without, you know, figuring out how things work. Right now, a lot of people are happy. They think that this thing is going to go right back to the moon, and they don't understand how like the market is not that easy, guys. Oh man, it's funny, man. I just look at YouTube and I see a lot of people are lost. I see a lot of people commenting, right? They talking about Lambo time, right? Lambo time. This is the comments that I see right now. Lambo time. Lambo's on the way. And people just don't understand, like, the market is not that easy. I wish it was. Pretty much only the people that got in the beginning got in really made a lot of money. But right now we're dealing with a different market, guys. We are dealing with a different market. This market is not the same, and especially this year, because now we're dealing with the government. I told you guys this bear market is about cryptos versus the government now. So it's a different bear market. So, you know, don't think that you can just close your eyes like last year and make money. But a lot of people just won't get it, which is okay. But like I said before, I'm going to continue to do what I do. So it seems like everybody's a genius right now. Everybody's a genius. Everybody thinks this is the bottom. Guys, the bottom is not that easy, guys. It's not that easy to find the bottom in a bear market. Just like it's not easy to find the top in a bull market. It's not that easy, guys. Let's look at this bull market. Look how many times it went down. Okay, boom, boom. Like, you can't. It's hard to really time the top because everything looks like it's going to go down. Right? Every time it goes down, it goes right back up. I'm not in the business of trying to time tops and bottoms. that business to me is a very dangerous business. I'd rather just ride the wave, ride the energy, right? The force is going up. So why would I fight the force? That's like trying to go against a car that's going in your direction. So you have to just basically go with the force, go with the flow, go with the momentum. Okay, if it's going up, you can buy dips all over the place. But if it's going down, dip buying is not the same strategy. People think that dip buying in the bear market is the same strategy. No, it's not. You can actually become broke and lose all your money if you just dip buy. And people are seeing that now. And some people not realizing, because a lot of people think this is the bottom. And that's what the bears want you to think, right? This is how they take your money. The market is designed for you to lose money. That's how they get rich. They don't get rich by without you losing money. You have to lose money so they can so they can actually get money and put it in their bank account. That's how they make money, from you making mistakes. That's how the rich make money, from you making mistakes. So they have to let you continue to make mistakes and make you think that this is going to the moon, so they can rip you off and take your money. And then I'm not saying that because this is cryptocurrency. I'm not saying that because I don't like cryptocurrencies. I love it. Okay. I hold cryptocurrencies just like you do. But the difference between me and most people is that if this market goes down to zero, I will still be okay. You know why? Because when I was holding my cryptos, I was taking profits and reinvesting my profits. So that's the difference between me and other people that buy and hold. Okay, I'm a professional. A professional knows to take profit because he knows that bear cycles, and he understands that the bulls can't last forever. Right? The bulls can't last forever. There will be bear cycles. Okay, he understands that. So he understands that he has to take profit. So when this market is going up, I'm taking profits, and when it dips down, guess what? I'm reinvesting those profits to make more profits, and that's just another ending cycle. Go up, take profits, reinvesting. Go up, take profits, reinvesting. So for me, if the market basically goes to zero, I'm cool with that because I already made my profits. Okay, even though I'm holding cryptos right now, it doesn't matter how much I lose because I already made money off the cryptos. So that's how a professional think. He don't rely solely on buy and hold, because buy and hold is just a long-term strategy. A long-term strategy. Listen to the key word, long. Okay, it's not something that you just want to do, something that you do and you can actually make money every single month. So that's what I do. I have multiple strategies in place. I want to make monthly income. I have a strategy where I make weekly income, and that's strictly for my day trading. But most of you guys can't day trade because you have a 9-to-5. So that's why I focus on monthly income for you guys. And that's why when you get this course, you can actually still make your monthly income, even if you have a 9-to-5. So let's go back to the chat room. Let's see what guys talking about. So Julio said, I will purchase your course in a little while. No problem. Take your time, take your time. Let me see. But just to let you know, Julio, a half an hour or hour from now, when I get off the course, the live stream, it's going to go back to 210. All right. So Leslie said, I catch you tonight. All right, cool, man. Leslie, shout out to Leslie. So Corey said, the thing I'm struggling is with the whole leverage. What are you struggling on, Corey? What are you struggling with the leverage? So Laura said, can I use your course for Forex commodities? Do you have an additional software? No, I don't have additional software for extra course. My course is video files, so it's an MP4. Shout out to Lord of the Boards from Netherlands. Okay. No, there's no additional course, and you can use it for Forex and commodities. Yes. but it's a swing trading strategy. So if you want to swing trade forex and commodities, yeah, you can use it. So shout out to Lord of the Boards. Let me hit that ching button for him because he's from Netherlands. Okay. Hey, what's going on, Taga? I believe I'm saying that right. Hey, what's going on, Mr. Hall? So Hall said he took my teachings to Forex and he's up 100. He's up. I'm sorry, 1K. So shout out to Hall, man. He took my knowledge. He went to the Forex market, and now he's up 1K. So that's what's up, man. I like to see that because, guys, the crypto market is not the only market. You know, that's why I trade different markets. I'm about to start to trade the stock market soon. I don't know if anybody's trade the stock market, but I know you definitely need. To me, the stock market is probably the easiest one. But shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. So you know, there's other markets to trade. You know, you can trade the futures, you can trade forex, you can trade stocks. You know, crypto is not the only market. Crypto, you have to understand, a market is just a vehicle for us to actually make money. That's all it is. It's just a vehicle. You can take your same skills and go to other markets and make money. So shout out to Mr. Hall. He actually made $1,000 using the techniques. But yeah, shout out to everybody. I don't know if y'all guys are trading any other markets, but shout out to everybody. Scala, what's going on? I've been watching you for months now. Definitely buying your course soon. I love the charts. All right, shout out to Scala. Shout out to Scala. Been watching me for months now. He's looking to support the channel. And it's funny because people think that I'm a bear and I just want things to go down. I don't, guys. I don't. I'm not a bear, but you have to understand. I'm a professional, so I can't get attached to a certain direction. Right? I can't get attached to a certain direction. So the direction right now is down. Look, this is very simple, guys. Look, let's draw this down. Okay, look. You see, everything is pointing down, guys. Look, you see how simple that is? Ever since the January, we've been pointing down. I have to go along with the flow. So it's not because I'm a bear. No, it's because I'm a professional. The market turned bearish. Guess what? I'm going along with the flow. You know, I love cryptos just like you do, but at the same time, I have to make money, guys. This is a monthly thing for me, a weekly thing for me. So shout out to everybody that's in the chat room. Let me go back and read these comments. So Julio said too many pump tards on YouTube. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Too many pump tards on YouTube, and they talking about things are going to the moon and blah blah blah. They want to hype you up so you can continue to watch their videos. But at the same time, they're not giving you guys the truth, right? The truth is just, I just told you guys, I just drew the simple line, right? The simple line, the simple red line. The market is going down. That's the truth. I didn't make this stuff up. I'm not the one that's, making the market go down. So you can't get mad at me. I'm just telling you guys what's going on. And not only that, how you can actually profit from this. Don't get mad at me. It's just how the market works. It can't go up forever. Show me any market that went up forever with no pullbacks, no bear markets, no nothing. Show me. Let me know. Because there's no market like that. Every market doesn't go up forever. Real estate, I don't care, name it. Real estate, currencies, futures, name it. It doesn't go up forever. So we have to have these bear cycles. And you have to accept that if you want to become an investor. Okay, if you really want to be an investor, you have to understand that you're gonna have drawdowns some years. Okay, every year can be a green year. Your portfolio can't be up every year, right? You're going to have down years. You have to accept that. You have to know that when you first put your money into any type of market. You have to know that it's a possibility this year won't be a good year for me. Okay, that's if you want to do a long-term strategy. That's why I tell people having a long-term strategy is okay, but I don't think you should make that your main strategy. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, okay? But I don't think that you should make that your main strategy, because I understand how cycles work. I understand every year can't be an up year, okay? So like for example, this year we are going down ever since January, okay? So this is one of the years that we don't have an up year, okay? And you just have to accept that as an investor. I've been doing this too long to know that every year can't be an up year, okay? But as a professional, you have to accept that. You have to be okay with that. And you have to have other strategies in place so you can actually compensate for that and make money, okay? And you can make money monthly by doing short-term plays. Even if you have a 9-to-5. Even if you have a 9-to-5, you can still make money, okay? You can go to the 4-hour chart, and you can make these short-term swings. So let me go back to the chat room. Somebody said the bottom is 3,000. 3,000 or 2,500. Yeah, that's a possibility. It's a possibility. But honestly, I think it could actually go lower than that, you know. But it could be around there somewhere. So I'm reading the comments, guys, so give me a second. So, guys, you have to understand what the market is doing, okay? I told you guys a couple of streams ago, in order for you to make consistent money, right? Keyword consistent. You have to start thinking like the Wells, the rich, okay? You can't think like these YouTubers out here and these guys that don't do this full time. You can't think like these guys, because if you think like these guys, you're gonna continue to lose money. Okay, the keyword is consistently. If you want to make consistent money, you should have to start thinking like the rich. Now, you have to understand that right now we are in a bear market, and the rich loves to trick you and make you think that it's going up. Like right here, we had a good trick right here, right? The market's going up. It looks like it's going up and just go right back down, right? Same thing right here, guys. It's tricking you. You see this big green candle? This candle alone, we should have just went up back to 19K. Okay, but guess what? It couldn't even go. It didn't even go to 10K, and then we reversed back down. So guys, this is what they do. This is how they make their money. They make their money by taking your money. That's the only way they make money, guys. You have to understand that. So you have to start thinking like them so you won't lose. So if you think like them, then you can actually be on their side. So everybody's buying dips. Bought this dip. I bought that dip. I bought this dip. You know what I'm saying? Like, so everybody's buying dips and losing money, right? And they know that, guys. They know that you want to buy the dip. They know that you want to time the bottom. They know that. They know that every time you see a green candle, that you think that that's the bottom. They know that. So that's why they create these pullbacks. That's the way they do whatever they have to do to trick you so they can take your money. Okay, this is what the market is all about, right? You're dealing with people that have a lot of money, the smartest guys on the planet, and they have deep pockets, and they're willing to do anything to trick you. So let me go back to so will 7K on BTC convince you of reversal? So Sean said, will 7K of BTC convince? No, Sean, Sean, 7K is nothing, Sean. 7K is nothing. Sean, we went to 98 right here, and we didn't even go to 10,000. So Sean, that tells me that the market is weak. The market has to at least go back to 10K, right? At least show me 9K, but it has to go back to 10K. Anything right now 6,000 and below 10K, I don't care nothing about it, because I know how these guys work. I just told you that they are looking to trick you. This is how the guys work. This is how they take your money. You have to understand how the market is designed. It's not designed for you to become rich. Of course, a lot of people got rich because they was at the bottom. You have to, guys, you have to understand this is a new market. So of course, anybody that invests in the beginning, they're going to become rich. Of course, it's a new market. Nobody never heard of cryptocurrency, so anybody could become rich, you know, when it first started. But now, like I said, it's a different ball game. We dealing with different, different time. So you have to be smart. It's not about the market convincing me. The market is not doing anything that's showing you we should be reversing right now. Anybody in this chat room, please tell me. Give me one reason why we should be reversing right now. Give me one good reason why we should be reversing right now and go into 19K. So let me go back to the comments. Ace said, just like in poker, people count on you to make mistakes so they can capitalize. Exactly, Ace. Ace, that's good that you said that, Ace, because I met two poker players, right? Two full-time poker players. They actually they was doing that for a living, okay? And they didn't know each other. This is like two different people that one was living in New York, the other one was living in Florida. But it's amazing how they both had the same strategy. And the strategy was they focused on a group that didn't know how to play, right? So one guy told me that this is when online poker was, you know, popular back in the days. I don't know if they still have online poker, but he said that he used to do poker online at nighttime because he noticed that at nighttime it wasn't that much competition, right? So he, like you said, Ace, he counted on people to make mistakes so he could capitalize on it. Okay, so he was dealing with a crowd that didn't know what they was doing, and basically he capitalized on their mistakes. Okay, so the next player that I met, he would do the same thing. He would go to different casinos that he know that people don't know how to play, because he said he been in a lot of tournaments before, so he know how to play. Okay, so he go to like these local casinos, and basically he capitalized on people making mistakes because he know that these guys don't really know, you know, as much as he does. So that's you hit it on the on the nail, Ace. You got it correct. That's what they do. Same thing in the market, guys. They are looking for you to make mistakes so they can capitalize on you. Okay, this is why it's very important to understand how the market works. You know, you just can't come on YouTube, listen to a video, and think you're going to become a millionaire overnight. Shoot, I wish it was that easy, guys. I wish it was. All right, so let's go back to the so what about, you said what I think about Ripple? They go live, Dutch Bank. Let me see Ripple. See the thing about Ripple is Ripple could get good news and it still go down, you know? So Ripple could get good news and it still could go down. So that's the only thing about Ripple is following. Ripple has to detach themselves from the cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, if they really want to pop off, because it really doesn't matter what news Ripple comes out with, they continue to go down. So right now we have this trend line working with Ripple, and to me Ripple looks like, and a lot of people, you know, they don't understand when I say that it's a strong possibility Ripple can actually go back to this breakout right here. Okay, So Ripple can actually, you know, bounce up a little bit and go right back down to this breakout, because the markets love breakouts. People don't believe me though, because it's around 30 cents, 29 cents. So they probably don't think that Ripple can go that low, and it can actually go lower than that. But I'm just saying, don't be surprised if Ripple roll over and go down to this breakout right here. Let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin, basically been going down. We are in this channel right here. So Litecoin is pretty much, what we at, 86. Okay, so it's trying to go up a little bit with the market, but like I said before, Litecoin everything is pretty much weak, just like Bitcoin. Everything is following Bitcoin. Charlie Lee, he actually tweeted out in December that don't be surprised if Litecoin goes to $20. So right now we at $86, and $20 is all the way down here. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. We have a lot of room to go down and the downside. So this is around $20 right here, guys. This is $20 right here. So we have a lot more room. So that's what I'm saying, guys. There's a lot of money to be made on the downside. If you're willing to change your brain, change the way you think. It's not all about bulls. It's not all about buying, you know. All right, so let's go back to the chat room so I can get out and have fun. Go outside and have fun. Let me see what's going on in the chat room. So Luke said, question, when you place a shorts, you talking about a day or two? Basically, some people, it all depends. So swing trading, you can make, it's usually for a day or all the way until like either one day all the way to like a week or two. Okay, that's pretty much a swing trade. Sometimes if the market is quick, you can get your profits in that day. If it's slow, if you're in a slow trade, then you might have to wait a week. But like I said, it's all about building cash flow. I tell people that all the time. It's all about building cash flow. I don't care what you do. You don't have to do cryptocurrencies, right? You don't have to actually believe anything I say on this live stream. At the end of the day, I want you guys to learn how to make cash flow, monthly cash flow. Okay, you can do anything. I don't care what it is. You can sell things on eBay. You can open up your own business. I don't care what you do. The name of the game is increase your monthly cash flow. Okay, so you don't have to believe anything I say. You don't have to buy my course, because I have a course on my thing. You don't have to buy this. I don't care what you guys do, okay? But at the end of the day, I told you guys the name of the game is build monthly cash flow, because that's how the rich people do it. So I want to follow the rich. I want to copy them. They are rich for a reason. They are very good at building monthly cash flow. So that's what I do. These long-term holds, that's what it is. It's just long-term. You know, I don't what is the word I'm looking for? I don't rely on these long buy and holds, right? That's why I tell a lot of people, man, you know, buy and hold is cool, but it's not a strategy you really don't want to rely on, because you don't know when you're going to get your money. It could be 5 years from now, 8 years from now. You really need to focus on increasing your monthly cash flow. Okay, that's the name of the game. So like I said before, my channel is deeper than crypto. I really want you guys to succeed so you can get out that rat race, because that rat race is just it's too stressful, and it's not going to help you to live the life that you want to live. So let me go back to the chat, read these comments real quick. It's funny how most people just don't want to be honest with themselves. And that's what's holding them back. Honesty is actually holding a lot of people back. a lot of people don't want to be honest that the market is going down, and there's a possibility that it will continue to go down. All right. A lot of people don't want to be honest that they don't know nothing. They don't understand how the market works. You know, so honesty is holding a lot of people back. So let me go back to the chat room and read some questions. So shout out to Ashley. She gave me this link. She said, Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort on Bitcoin. Get out. Oh, man, that's funny. So Jordan said, listen, guys, get the F out. Oh, shoot. He said, get out if you want to lose all your money. You know, that's funny. That's funny, man. But be honest with you guys, you know, he's a guy that actually knows how the market works. So, but like I told you guys, I told you guys this, guys. The market right now, nobody. I've been going live for a long time, and nobody can give me one good reason why the market will reverse from here and go back to 19K and continue to go up. Nobody can actually give me no good reason yet, and I'm still waiting for that good reason, because Jordan knows the deal. He knows that there's a lot of scams going on behind the scene. Okay, that's why you see John McAfee that is not dealing with no more ICOs, because he know that if he still deal with these ICOs, he's gonna get arrested. Okay, most of these coins on CoinMarketCap is going to go to zero. Okay, guys, right? So in order for that to happen, Bitcoin has to continue to go down. These small little rallies that you see, that's all it is just small rallies. Okay, even if this whole month, even if in July we consolidate and we don't even go down, that doesn't mean anything. Okay, the trend is still down. Shout out to Ashley, she the one that gave me this thing. I saw his video. I saw his video before. Let me go back to the chat room. And it's funny because I remember reading a comment below, and lady said, thanks Jordan, I sold and you saved me a ton of money. Let's see. So Left Lane says 7K means I got more chances to make money on the way down. Shout out to Left Lane. He's thinking like a professional. Okay, let me hit that cha-ching button for him. He says 7K means that I have more money to make, okay, on the way down. He's thinking like a professional, okay? That's what's up, man. I'm reading his comments right now. All I'm going to say is, guys, for you guys that think this is the reversal, right? And you think we're going back to 20K or whatever K by the end of this year, just be careful. That's all I have to say. Just be careful, okay? I know a lot of these YouTubers is telling you buy dips. Just be careful. All right, let's go back to the chat room. So Raw Dog said because institutional money is now beginning to enter the market. So Ray Dog, okay. So Ray Dog said institutional money is now beginning to enter the market. So Ray Dog, okay. Let me ask you this. Show me proof that the institutional money is coming in, please. Please, Ray Dog, show me proof. Don't go to you know, these news sites. Please don't go to the news sites, okay? Show me these proof, okay? Don't go to the news sites. I don't want to hear about an article that you read Okay, I don't care about no article that you read. I don't care none about this stuff, right? Because all this stuff is fluff. It's just, you know, a lot. They can make up a lot of stuff. So I don't care about these articles. Show me, Ray Dog, a person, one of these big dogs that's entering in the market right now. Show me. Show me proof. Because the proof is in the pudding, Ray Dog. Go to the numbers. That's why I told you guys I'll focus on the numbers. And this is why when I come on these live streams, I ask you guys this question. Please tell me one good reason why the market will reverse. Okay, let's go. Okay, Ray Dog, let's go to the numbers. 4 billion, 4 billion, 4 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion. Does that look like big buyers, Ray Dog? Okay, does this look like real big money? Let's go back to January. I'm gonna show you the difference, Ray Dog. Let's go back to the difference. Okay, this is January when everything was, you know, going crazy. So we got 10 billion here, 16 billion here, 16 billion here, 21 billion here, 23 billion, 18 billion, 15 billion, 18, 16, 16. So you see the difference, Ray Dog? You're going by articles that you read online. You're going by YouTubers, and these guys could say whatever they want to say. This is why I don't listen to mainstream media. They are there to trick you. You have to understand how this stuff works, right? You have to understand how this stuff works, how the market works. Everybody, the rich is connected. Everybody is connected, okay? So the rich knows the news way before you know it. They are very connected. They understand what's going on. They put out rumors on purpose. They tell you rumors on purpose. You have to understand how the market works. I told you guys before that the market is designed to take your money. They want you to think one thing while they're doing the opposite. So Ray Dog, please show me proof. I'm still waiting for that proof. Until then, that's just you reading stuff online, okay? Because the proof is in the numbers. I showed you the numbers already, okay? 4 billion, 4 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion. That's not big money at all. So let's go back to the chat. Okay, so Sean said, I believe regulations will send the market back up in a hurry. Investors like safe bets. Okay, so Sean said, I believe the market regulations will reverse the market. Okay, that's a possibility, Sean, right? Possibility, but you have to understand how regulations work, Sean. Okay, since this market basically never been regulated, it's going to take time for the government to regulate this market, Sean. The government just is not going to stop everything they're doing and basically just focus on cryptocurrencies. So it's a process, Sean. It's not going to be overnight. It's going to take years. They have to build a case. They have to shut down a lot of people. And while that's happening, Sean, okay, while that's happening, the market will continue to go down because they can't allow the market to go up. Okay, right now, what you see in this bear market is the cryptos versus the government. Okay, the government is cracking down. They're not playing no more. You had your fund for 10 years. Now, while they're cracking down, you're going to see the market continue to go down because they're shutting down all these scam coins. But it's going to take time. It's not going to be an overnight thing. There's too many things going on behind the scenes, and it's not going to be an overnight thing. And even if the government regulate the market today, these prices right now is too high for these big time investors. They know that, bro. You have to understand how these things work. This is why I tell a lot of people, educate yourself. Understand how big dogs work. They're not going to buy at the high, bro. They got too much money invested, right? So they have billions of dollars pumping in the market. They're not going to blow that billions of dollars just because they want to get in cryptocurrencies. They want prices to go much lower than this. So shout out to everybody that's trying to answer the question. Okay. Shout out to everybody that's trying to answer the question. But I'm trying to give you 10 years experience. Okay. I'm trying to show you how the market works. I'm trying to show you how these guys trick you to make you believe one thing and they do the opposite. But you don't have to believe me. Trust me, you do not have to believe me. I will continue to do what I do. Let me go back to the market. People think all of a sudden that regulations will basically help the market so the guys can come in. No. You know, the market has to settle a little bit, and it's going to take years for that. So let me go back to these to the chat, and very good chat so far. This is what I want. I want people to, you know, participate, so I can give you my 10 years of experience. And hey, what's going on? Right, I'll catch you later. Okay. So shout out to Luke. I believe he purchased my course. Shout out to Luke. He said you catch me later. He's from he's watching the Columbia. Okay, Columbia versus England. Okay, so shout out to Luke. I think he's in another country. So thanks a lot for coming through. And if you don't have my course yet, I've been going on for a long time. Support this channel. If you want to support this channel, get this course. Right now it's 50% off. Right. The original price is $210, but right now on the live stream is 50% off, which is $110. And this market will show you, this course will show you how to make money right now. Okay, not 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, right now. And I have the testimonials to prove it. These are testimonials that I get from my live streams. I copy and paste it here. Okay, people making money, $400, $300, $130, $40 right here, $400 right here, $50 right here, 10% right there, $450. So it's up to you if you want to change your mind. I mean, change the way you think. So a shout out to everybody that's on this live stream. If you want to support this channel, because I do not review ICOs at all. I'm sorry, guys. I do not review ICOs. ICOs is not going to put money in your pocket. So let me copy and paste that link, because when I get off this live stream, that price is going right back up. So so Northgate is saying what? Yeah, exactly. The reason why the rich get richer is because the poor people want to continue to act. I mean, guys, let's oh my gosh, guys, let's be serious for a second, right? If you are on this chat right now, if you're on this live stream right now, and no disrespect to nobody, right? No disrespect. But if you are on this live stream right now and you are not where you want to be at, it's a strong chance it's because you don't have the skills yet. You don't have the information to get you to that next level. So why would you continue to think the same way you are thinking right now if you want to make it to the next level? You have to expand your thinking. You have to increase your level of thinking. Most people are just want to stay at the level that they are at right now, and they expect to make $1 million. How can you make $1 million and you never made $1 million yet? And you expect to make $1 million with that same type of thinking or same level of thinking? You have to increase your level. So let me go back to the chat. Do you swing trade or day trade Forex? Businessman. Oh, no, he's talking about somebody. Okay. Hey, what's going on, Keith? 30 minutes until I'm off. I'll catch the replay, get the course, everybody. Very exciting. So shout out to Keith. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Keith made money the other week, so shout out to him. Yeah, this could be a holiday rally. We'll see. So Lord of the Boards, I'm going to buy the course. How much time do you, Lord of the Wars? When do you look? When are you looking to buy the course? Because I'm about to get off this chat room soon, and an hour from now, the course is going right back up. Sean said, "Do you teach private course? A course? We mean like one-on-one private trading?" Sean, right now, since it's the summertime, I probably going to step away from that because I'm trying to enjoy my time. And plus my one-on-ones, honestly, it's a lot of money. If someone wants to my one-on-one coaching, because I'm giving you my time. So my one-on-one coaching, trust me, is nowhere near what I'm giving you with this, because a lot of people think, you know, since I'm doing this, you know, it's people don't understand. I can actually charge $500 easily for this. Okay. So if you want to my one-on-one, trust me, it's going to be a lot of money. But if I do a one-on-one with anybody, it would be showing you how to make money with day trading, because that should be your main focus. But we can also talk about swing trading too. So shout out to everybody that's in the chat room. Yeah, and said don't forget to moon the likes. Shout out to everybody that's in the thing. So Zachary said another good reason is if Bitcoin ETFs came out, which is not likely anytime soon. So Zachary, shout out to Zachary. Zachary, I'm trying to figure out how to say this, Zachary. Okay. It seems like you listen to the news, you know, the same way they said that Bitcoin futures was going to pump this market to 50K. You can't, Zachary, you can't listen to the news. I don't listen to the news. I hardly follow the news. I don't really care about the news. I make my money based on looking at charts. I look at the main direction. If the main direction is pointing up, guess what, Zachary? I'm looking to get in. Okay, I have certain patterns I look for, and I look to get in. If the market is pointing down, guess what, Zachary? I'm going along with the market. I'm looking to get in. I don't look at news because news distracts me, and most of it is just fluff. If you understand how news work, you understand that it's controlled by the rich. If you understand how the rich make money, then you will know that you can't really listen to the news, because the rich controls the news, and they want you to think one way so they can do the opposite. Okay, you don't have to believe me. You can say I'm a conspiracy theorist, whatever you want to call me. I don't care. You don't have to believe me, but I do this full time, guys. This is what I do. I do this full time. Okay, I got caught up in the beginning, believing everything. Okay, I was new to this. I was in your guys' shoes. I was reading the news like crazy when I first started. Okay, and I noticed that when good news comes out, the market will go down. I'm like, why is that? I'm like, we have good news, but the stock is going down. Like, why? You know, I used to get caught up in that stupidness. Or you have bad news and the stock will go up. Like, why is that? That doesn't make sense at all. So until I had to change the way I think and say, you know what? I see what's going on. I see how these guys are making money. So I don't care about no ETFs. ETFs is not going to bring anything to the market. It might even make the market even worse, just like the Bitcoin futures. Okay. So shout out to Zachary. Like I said, I'm not getting on you, Zachary. I'm just trying to show you, trying to give you some game here. This is not a regular YouTube channel. Okay. I am a professional investor and trader. This is what I do full time. I'm not a regular YouTuber that review ICOs so he can actually make money for those ICOs. I'm selling a course for $110 that I should be selling for $500. So I'm losing out money just to let you guys in and show you the ropes. I'm losing out money, right? I can easily sell this for $5. I done showed you testimonials, right? Back to back, 450, 250, 400, 600. One of my students, my top student, made $21,000. I can sell this for more than measly $100, right? But I'm doing this because this is what I do full time, right? I'm not here to review ICOs because I can make more money reviewing ICOs. I get emails all the time, right? I do this full time, so I'm trying to give you guys the game. Most of you guys don't want to listen, which is okay, you know. But like I said, I'm going to continue to do whatever I have to do. So shout out to Zachary. I'm not getting on you. I'm just trying to show you the game, okay? So Lord of the Rings said, did you catch the oil drop today? made $50. So shout out to Lord of the Rings. I mean Lord of the Boards. He made $50 today. No, I didn't catch it because I wasn't trading oil today. But shout out to Lord of the Boards. He made $50. That's what's up, man. He said he's going to invest in the course. How much time do you have? You probably heard me already, so because I'm late on these comments, so you probably heard me already. So Lord of the Boards, let me know if you're still in this in the chat room. Exactly, expose, ignore the hype, and trust the chart. Okay, you heard that saying before. Women lie, men lie, but numbers don't. Okay, when you looking at the news, this is just men. This is man-made. You know, it's created by men. Okay, and these guys have a different agenda, so they don't care about you. So they can print anything, right? You have to understand, the rich, they know the news before it comes out. Way before it comes out. They know what's going on. Okay, so you're getting some old news that's basically, they know already, okay? I don't care about this stuff. Never did. Well, actually, I did in the beginning of my career. But if you look at the news, this is why, I mean, if you look at the numbers, guys, right? The numbers don't lie, right? We have low volume, no buyers in sight. You're going to trying to trick me with this type of volume. I'm sorry, I can't. You know, you can't convince me with that. So that's why I look at the numbers, because the numbers don't lie. You have to understand what volume is. Volume is basically the amount of money coming in. The amount of money coming in the market. Okay, that's what volume is. So if you're telling me that big dogs are in the market or buying the market, show me. This is not it. This is nothing. Okay, so I've been doing this too long to understand what's going on. So let's go back to the chat. So Tony said you can't compare January to now. What do you mean, Tony? What do you mean you can't compare January to now? Tony, I'm showing you the difference between real buying and no buying, right? This is the difference, Tony. You saying I can't compare it. I'm not trying to compare it. I'm telling you the difference between real buyers, the big dogs that's buying the market versus now, okay? So let's go back to January. 16 billion, 10 billion, 16, 21, 23. This is real buying, Tony, okay? I'm not comparing both. I'm just showing you the difference between real buying and no buying. Okay, this is really nothing going on. We've been drying up and nobody's buying the market. This is why we had the chance to go up to 19K right here when the market reversed, right, and try to go up. We had the chance to go up to the highs right here. We didn't go. We had another chance to go to the highs right here, Tony. We didn't go. So tell me why we didn't go to 19K when we had multiple chances, Tony. Let me know in a comment. Tell me why we didn't go up. We had multiple chances. The reason why we didn't go up because there's no buying, Tony. It's just the market was trying to fake you so you go right back down. There's no real buying. Okay, Tony? So let me know. All right, let's go back. You said this is a bear market, but even this bear market is worth more than last time. Is that true? It doesn't matter how much market. Actually, it's even worse if the market is up, because since the market is up even more this time, we can actually have a bad, a worse crash. Like the crash could be even crazier. So you have to understand that it doesn't matter how far the market is up. A bear market is a bear market. So let me go back to the chat. Yeah, exactly. He's probably making millions. So Tony said, "Thanks, Ben. You talk sense and keep people in the market risky. No problem, Tony. I'm just trying to. Like I said, I'm just trying to help you guys. Like I said, at the end of the day, you don't have to buy this course. You don't have to listen to me. I'm just here to give you 10 years of experience, so you don't have to, you know, put all your hard-earned money in the market so you can lose it. I mean, you guys, you work hard for that money. Why would you want to lose it just like that, right? That's why I tell you guys, have multiple strategies. Me, I told you guys, I don't depend on my long-term strategy. So if the market is going down, who cares? I have a strategy right now that's making me money every single month, okay? So why do I care if my long-term strategy is going down? This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Most people just don't understand. They can't understand because they're so stuck at this one level, right? I don't care if the market goes to zero. I'm still making money every single month. That's how you have to think. You have to think like a professional, right? The reason why most people are scared right now is because they put all their wealth in the market. They did it wrong. They did it wrong. They put all their wealth in the market, and they're not giving themselves room to make money every single month. They did it wrong, and that's why they feeling the pain. That's why they want the market to reverse, and I understand that. But I'm trying to tell you guys, you have to have multiple strategies, because if you don't, you're gonna be like most people, right? For 7 months now, you guys is not making money. Whoever's buying and holding, not making money at all. Okay, only the guys that's doing short-term trading is making money to the downside for the most part. So let me go back to the chat room. Exactly. Loader Boy said he made $50 on going short on oil. Trust the charts. Exactly. Right? You can't rely on the news. You're too late. Trust me. If you go to the news right here, if you read this article, you're late. You are already late, guys. Everything that you need is right in front of you. You could never be late on the chart because everything is in real time. So let me go to the 5-minute chart, okay? This is real time, guys, real time. So you're not late. You know what's going on. But when you read this news, you're late. And they can say anything. They can make up any story. Okay, because it's controlled by the rich, the people that control the market. You don't have to believe me. It's cool. I will continue to still do this full time and make this money. So let's go back to the chat room and hit those likes, smash those likes, whatever these YouTubers say. Whatever the YouTubers say, smash these likes, I guess, you know. Zachary, all right. People said send future K news. Maybe I agree. Futures meant short. Futures has a history of dropping prices. All right. So I'm going back to the chat room, reading these comments. Oh, tomorrow's the 4th, right? That's what's up, man. So I might take off tomorrow. Probably won't see me tomorrow, or maybe I actually come through. If I come through tomorrow, I might come early. I don't know. Shout out to everybody. I hope you guys have fun. July 4th. Let me go back to William said hit the likes and get the course. All right. Shout out to William. Let me hit that ching button for him. Okay. Over here, we like making money. Lord of the Boy said, buy the room and sell the news. Exactly. That's how it is. I had to learn the hard way, though, you know. So Nick said, how do you make profit when the market goes sideways? Well, basically, when the market's going sideways like this, pretty much the major trend is pointing down. So you just basically have to know the trend, the major trend, and then basically wait for prices to go down and start making money. Okay, if prices go down, you can use any type of pattern. I don't care what pattern you use, right? You can use any type of pattern to get in the market so you can make money. Because even in the sideways market, you still have many trends. So like right now, if you look at this, right, let's go to, if you look at this, ever since like February, we didn't really go anywhere, right? So let me zoom out a little bit. Shoot. So ever since February, basically we've been in this stupid range. Okay, let me get that brush, right? We've been in this stupid range right here. Okay, so this box, we've been in this box ever since February, right? So we've been pretty much going sideways, right? But at the same time, even though we're going sideways, we have these up movements and down movements. So when the market's going down like this, you can make money. Okay, if it pulls back, once it goes down again, you make money, a lot of money. Okay, so that's how you make money doing these sideways. You can use any pattern. I don't care what pattern you use. You use any pattern, get in the market, and make that money. So even if the market is going sideways, you can make money when the market continues to go down. You know. So shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. I'm about to get off soon. So Lord of the Rings, how much time do I spend on trading? I spend around 9 o'clock to like 12. So I don't know. That's like around 4 hours, I believe, 3 to 4 hours. So 9 o'clock, I'm looking at the charts. 9:30, the market, begins. At 9 o'clock, actually, the oil begins 9 o'clock. The regular market, like NASDAQ and S&P and then the Dow, starts around 9:30. And I'm done at 12 o'clock. I try not to trade all day because, if you trade all day, sometimes you can make bad decisions. You can make decent money during the day. Shout out to David. So guys, let me get out of here. I have to enjoy the rest of the day. But shout out to everybody that's on this chat room. I might do a live to either later on. I don't know yet. But shout out to everybody that's in this chat room. I didn't think anybody would come because it's early during the day. But you guys, I forgot you have other people that live on a different side of the globe. Okay. Shout out to everybody. Yeah. Thank you for coming in. And I'm looking to make this money. I'm looking for round 2. Actually round 3, but
round 2. Fight.
So I'm here to make this money. That's all I'm here for, guys. Change it the way you think. Hopefully you guys could not rely on your 9 to 5 and live the life that you want to live. But don't think that you could just buy the market and forget about it, and then the next day you will become a millionaire. Because right now everybody's screaming Lambo. Okay, I went to the comments box today and went on YouTube. Everybody's screaming Lambo. Trust me, I wish it was that easy, but it's not. So you have to learn how to read the charts so you can actually understand that. So these guys won't trick you. That's the main reason why you want to read these charts, because these guys are out here to trick you, right? They are out here to trick you. So be careful out here. For you guys that's basically want to buy these bottoms, be careful, please. It's very, very hard to time the bottom in a bear market. And this is why I like literally understand that this is too obvious to be a bottom right here. This is very, very too obvious to be a bottom. So be careful, guys. Anything that's obvious in the bear market is a 98% chance it will fail. So be careful, guys. A lot of people are locked in. They don't have no more money to buy because they've been buying the dips. These YouTubers been telling them to buy the dips, so they don't have no more money to buy the dips. Okay, so this market could continue to go down for a long time. So be careful. So let me get out of here so I can enjoy life. Shout out to everybody here in the chat room. Shout out to Lord of the Boards. Shout out to NN. Okay. All right. Yeah. Round 2. Exactly, man. I love my Mortal Kombat sound effects.
Get over here!
Okay. So shout out to everybody that's in the chat room. Thank you for just chilling with me. Right now it's 2:08 Eastern time. So thanks for chilling with me. Shout out to everybody that support the channel. Shout out to Glenn. Shout out to Lord of the Board. Shout out to NN. Shout out to Josh. Shout out to Businessman. Shout out to Fuse. Shout out to David. Shout out to Nick, Tony, Edema, Glenn, Silk Black, Expose, Zachary, everybody. I can't name everybody. William, Tony, everybody that's in the chat room. Shout out to everybody. Keith that just left. So shout out to everybody. You know, I definitely don't give you guys that, you know, things that you want to hear, because you probably want me to say things is going to the moon. But I have to give you guys the truth. You know, I've been doing this so long that I see the writing on the wall. So guys, let me get out of here. If you don't have my course, definitely get it, because price will go up back to 210 before I leave. So let me get out of here. Enjoy life. Enjoy some time with my daughter. And hope you guys have a good day. And make sure that you have a happy 4th of July. Thanks a lot, Tony. Make sure you have a happy 4th of July, everybody too, in this chat. And thanks for chilling out with me today. So have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys later.